In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a photo gallery on your GoDaddy hosted website. Let's get started and look at how simple and straightforward this process can be. First, you'll want to navigate to GoDaddy's main page. This is where you'll find all the essential tools for managing your domain names, websites, hosting, and more. From here, the next step is to go to the products section. This is typically found in your account area, and it's where you can access all the websites you're currently working on. Once you're there, you'll see a list of your existing websites. Go ahead and click on the website where you'd like to add a photo gallery. Seeing the web page that you want to enhance with a gallery can be a powerful moment. Now click on Edit Website. This action takes you into the website editor, a space where all the magic happens. The next thing you'll want to do is look for the option to Add Section. This is your gateway to enriching your website with various elements including images, text, and of course photo galleries. Once you click Add Section, a search bar will appear. In this search bar, type in photo. This will quickly filter the available sections to the ones that include image-related options. From the search results, click on Image Gallery. This is a pre-designed section you can tweak to fit the style and theme of your website. After that, go ahead and select Photo Gallery. It's a specific subsection under Image Gallery that's tailored specifically for showcasing photos in a gallery format. Now you'll want to click Add. This action will place the Photo Gallery section onto your web page. Once it's on your page, the next step is to populate it with your chosen images. To add images, locate an image placeholder within the gallery and click on it. A dialog box will open up, offering you options to either upload new photos or choose from existing ones in your media library. When you're ready to personalize your gallery, click on Edit. This function allows you to modify each image's details, adjust settings, and even delete or reorder images to better reflect the story you intend your gallery to tell. It's also useful for adding captions or adjusting the layout to ensure everything aligns perfectly with your website's brand identity. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a stunning photo gallery to your GoDaddy website. This feature not only enriches the visual appeal of your page, but also engages your visitors, offering them a more dynamic and engaging experience. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.